Welcome to the fifth episode in the Options Matrix Pro platform walkthrough series. In this video, we're going to take a look at the AI Analyst. Now, the AI Analyst is designed to help you ask questions about your options data that you've already loaded into Options Matrix Pro. So a key point for this, I wouldn't usually start with the AI Analyst. I'd start with the matrix or the scanner, either the short scanner or the advanced scanner itself. And that's because the AI Analyst is most useful when it has real platform context to work with. So once you've already analyzed tickers in the matrix or run a scan across your watch list, that recent data can be made available to the AI Analyst for a limited time. You can also define what that time period is within the settings if you'd like to do that. So near the top of the AI Analyst page over here, you can actually see the current context. Now that includes recent matrix symbols, scanner results for both the short and the advanced. So when you're asking a question, you need to select which ones you're after. So you might have looked at particular tickers within the matrix, you can select that. If you want the short scanner, you can select that. Or if you want advanced scanner, you can select it. I, for an example, have asked this question: which opportunities have the best balance between yield and probability of profit? I selected the matrix and the short scanner. It's then gone and done the analysis and provided an assessment. It can provide tables. It provided details around the Greeks, sizing, warnings, identified some key risks that are worth noting, as well as actually producing a bit of a chart that compares the probability of profit to the monthly yield as well. So quite useful. So the way that I use AI Analyst, obviously you can use it how you like it, but for me, I like to think of it as a second set of eyes. So it can help summarize results or compare opportunities, identify possible risks, explain metrics, even just challenge your thinking. But it's not really a great trade signal. It's not financial advice, and it should never replace your own analysis. You should use it like a research assistant, not a decision maker. If you're just wondering what you can ask, some practical questions could be like, what trades look most conservative? What opportunities balance yield and probability of profit? Which trades have stronger break-even protection? Any concentration risks in the list? Which setups would you exclude and why? Can you compare the opportunities in a table? What main risks should I think about before entering a trade? Ultimately, the goal is not to ask the AI to choose for you. The goal is to use it to help you review the data more clearly. Also, just for reference, you can go and click new chat here. You can delete chats. You can also view your history of the past chats that you've actually selected as well. And I don't think you'll have settings as that's an admin function, but you can essentially write your chat as you saw before, and you can view the various details. So you can also use the AI Analyst if something doesn't make sense. You can ask plain English questions about the data. So why is this break even lower than the strike? Or why does the delta implies this? Why is this monthly yield higher than others, right? That's what makes the AI Analyst useful, not just for reviewing the opportunities, but also learning how to interpret the numbers itself. Finally, I do want to provide a disclaimer. It's an AI Analyst and it can hallucinate. You need to verify information yourself. And even when it gives you a useful answer, verify the trade yourself. So check the actual options contract, look within your brokerage platform before you place anything. AI can be helpful, but it can also be wrong. So treat the treat the response as a review layer, not a final decision. So finally, rounding out this workflow, you want to load your data within a matrix or scanner over here. You want to go to the AI Analyst to summarize, compare, explain, challenge opportunities, and use the response to support your review. And then verify everything before you make a decision. So think of the AI Analyst as your research assistant sitting beside the matrix scanner and visualizer. It'll help you ask better questions and about the data you've already loaded.